Right now, millions of people are having conversations with something that has never had a single thought in its life. ChatGPT can write poems, debug code, and explain quantum physics. But here's the twist. It doesn't actually know anything. So how does it work? Let's decode it in 5 minutes. First, forget the idea of a digital brain. At its core, ChatGPT is a prediction machine. It does one thing over and over. It predicts the next word. That's it. You type, the capital of France is, and it calculates that the most likely next word is Paris. But how does it predict so well? Training. Before you ever talked to it, the model read a colossal chunk of the internet. Books, articles, websites, code, trillions of words. And during training, it played the same game billions of times. Hide the next word, guess it, check the answer, adjust. Get it wrong? Tweak the internal settings slightly. Repeat. Billions and billions of times. Those internal settings are called parameters, and modern models have hundreds of billions of them. Think of them as tiny dials. Tuned together, they capture the patterns of human language. Grammar, facts, style, even humor. Here's a detail most people miss. The model doesn't even see words. It sees tokens, chunks of text. Every token gets converted into numbers, because underneath it all, this is pure mathematics. So when you ask a question, your words become tokens. The model outputs a probability score for every possible next token, and picks one. Then it takes everything so far and predicts the next token, built word by a guessing engine. And this explains AI's biggest flaw, hallucination. Because the model predicts what sounds right, not what is right. It can state total nonsense with perfect confidence. It has no idea what truth is. It's just finishing the pattern. One final ingredient makes it feel so polite and helpful. Humans rate thousands of the model's answers. Good, bad, harmful, helpful. The model gets tuned again based on that feedback. That's why it feels like an assistant, not like the chaotic internet. So, ChatGPT is not a mind. It's a mirror of human language. Trillions of words compressed into billions of dials. Playing the world's most sophisticated guessing game. Predicting the next word looks exactly like thinking. That's ChatGPT. Decoded in 5. If you learned something, subscribe. Because next week we're decoding how GPS finds you anywhere on Earth. See you then.